I'm trying to stand, so hopefully I can get more of them in the picture, because they really just want to be on me. It's really, really hard to show you the puppy. Standing so proud. They're all under my feet. Hi, little buddy. Oh, that's Nowie. That's Tank. Oh, that's a good picture. I'm not going to retie my shoes until I'm out of here because there's really no point. Oh, I'm back to Nowie. This little guy fell over upside down. So, this is what I have. I guess I'll just video my feet, because that's where they want to be. No, they want in my lap. I can't sit down and video anyway. I tried for about a half an hour and it's still not possible. Oh, Tank, don't be a brute. And there's Buddy. I'm not the chew toy. But if I stand outside the fence, they just whine for me to come in or them to come out. So, kind of got to be in with them, or all you're going to hear is whining. That was a good little fast trot. Let's try over here. No, don't want to bite. Okay, I'm going to stop this so I can stop them from biting me. They will quit that on their own, but I try to keep them from doing it. Okay, they left me a little bit. Perfect size ball for a little lady. Spun around into the fence. Alright, I'm over 4 minutes, so it'll take a while to download this, so I'm going to go ahead and close it. But they're still doing great.